Good morning. Today I will show you how to download C and C++ compiler. So first I will tell you where to download C++ compiler, then how to install the compiler, and then how to run the C and C++ program in CMD. And then we will see how to run the program in VS Code. So let's start it. Today I will show you how to install C and C++ on your machine. You just have to go on newwin.net. You can write newwin C++. The first site, you have to click on it. Then there are two versions, mingw exe and without git. So you have to download without git. So downloading is starting now. So let's wait for it. So now mingw is installed. So let us check. Yes, it is installed. Here it is. So you have to double click on it. Then go to bin folder. Now copy the path of bin folder. You have to copy the path. So now type system variable and find the system environment variables. Then click on it and you have to go on the environment variables. Then you have to change the path. Okay, so you have to add a new path. So click on edit, then add a new path. So paste it here and then OK, OK and OK. So now let's check it. CMD. So GCC. So you can see here there is a fatal error. It means you are not giving the file name, but GCC is installed now. And let's check for C++. G++. So it's giving the same error. It means C++ is also installed in your system. So here are two programs for C++ and C both. So we will now try to run these. So type here cmd. So you are in the demo folder now. So first we will try to run the C++. So for C++ you have to type G++ and then the name of the file main.cpp, then double ampersand and then a.exe. So enter it. So you can see the hello world. It means it's running. So now we will try for the C program. So for C you have to write gcc, then main.c, the file of the name of the file, and then a.exe and enter. So you can see here it's also working now. Hello world. So both are working correctly. So you have to run these commands every time you want to run the code. So now I will tell you how to run C and C++ code in VS Code. So I will tell you without code runner, then I will tell you with code runner. So let's run this C program. So you have to go to terminal, then new terminal. You can also use Control Shift backticks or then new terminal. uh, First let me check the default profile. So default profile is command prompt. You should always use command prompt as a default profile because command prompt is very easy and have many features. So let's run this. The command is gcc, then file name main.c, then double ampersand and then a.exe. So let's run it. So so it's run hello world, and then we will run the C++ program as well. So change the cc with plus plus and the file name also C++. Now we will run this. So many times it take times, but don't worry, but it's only take time for the first time. So it's printing hello world, so it's running smoothly. Now we will run it in the with the code runner. So code runner is a extension which helps you to run any code of any language very easily. So we will go to extension and then we will search for it, code runner, and then go for it, then install it. So after installing it,
let's back to the code. So here it is. So now we will click this button, run code. So you can see here it's running, and now output is here, hello world. We will do this for C++ also. Just click on it, and it's running now. It's done now, hello world. But there is a problem. The output is coming in output window. What we want to run it in terminal, because any kind of input you want to add in, you can't do it in output window. So always use a terminal. So to change this, we will go to file, then we will go to settings, then type here run in terminal. So go down little bit. Here it is, code runner run in terminal. Just click on it. Now you are done. Let's run it. So as you can see here, the code is running in the terminal. Here is the output. Let's check for the C also. Now it's done. So you also always should run your code in terminal, because it helps you to give input to your program. And you can also use the control alt n for the for to run the code. And that's all about the this video, and thank you for watching the video.